questions have always been, why? Why have these major animals who are successful for millions of years across multiple continents all of a sudden just disappear? And if you look at the timeline of that extinction, it's almost instantaneous from a geological perspective.
So this is kind of the first, certainly the largest kind of study of North American Pleistocene browsers, at least from a genetic perspective. So we focused on the American mastodon. A lot of the other focus that we talk about when we talk about ancient DNA, specifically in North America, is on these large kind of glacial grazers, kind of like mammoths or bison. Because we have these northern samples, we've kind of been able to help support this hypothesis that these animals were there not during these frigid, cold, kind of glacial periods that we envision where mammoths were roaming around, but probably more likely during these warmer interglacial periods where we have very similar temperatures to what we have today. These animals go north and then probably die out, and then they go north again. At least we have no evidence of continuity that they're actually managing to survive these kind of deep freezes that happen, for the last 800,000 years. A lot of species presently, like moose and beaver, are rapidly expanding their ranges northward, maybe as much as like 10 to hundreds of kilometers every century. But if they're genetically impoverished, if they're very similar to one another, this could spell long-term consequences for any conservation patterns of the other. If they lose these southern populations, these genetically rich ones, even though there's a large number of them, they might not be super well adapted to resist any further change if it's only these northern populations that are left.